Hello everyone, hope you have completed all the problems of previous exercise. After H.C.F, let's see what is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. For example, let's take 2 and 3. These are two numbers. Now try to write multiples of 2 and 3. First few multiples are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, then 18, 20, 22, 24 and so on. Now multiples of 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36. These are multiples of 3. And for 4, multiples of 4 means after 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So these are multiples of 4. Now LCM, least common multiple, for 2 and 3, multiples, common multiples are, so common multiples of 2 and 3 means 6. 6 is a common multiple. Then after 6, 8, no. 10, no. 12. 12 is a common multiple. Then 16, 14, no. 18, yes. 18 again is a common multiple. Then 21, no. 24, yes. 27, no. 30, yes. So these are common multiples. Common multiples for 2 and 3. Among these common multiples, least is 6. So 6, number 6 is the common multiple which is also least. So 6 is LCM or least common multiple for 2 and 3. Now let's try to find common multiple of 3 and 4. So for 3 and 4, 8, no. 12, yes. 12 is a common multiple for both 3 and 4. After 12, 24 is a common multiple. Then 28, no. 32, no. 36 is a common multiple. So these numbers are 12, 24 and 36. These are common multiples of 3 and 4. Again, LCM or least common multiple is 12. 12 is LCM of 3 and 4. Now for 4 and 2, 2, 4, 4. So 4 is least common multiple for 2 and 4. Now let's try to find out common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. For all 2, 3 and 4. 4 is a multiple for 2, yes, 4, but it's not a multiple of 3. Next, 8. 8 is a multiple of 2 and 4, yes. For 3, no. 10, no. 12, yes. 12 is a multiple of 2. 12 again is a multiple of 3. 12 is a multiple of 4 also. After 12, 14, no. 16, no. 18, 20, 22, 24, yes. 24 is also a common multiple for 2, 3 and 4. But we are looking for least common multiple. So least common multiple or LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So LCM of 2 and 3 is, for 2 and 3, the answer is 6. LCM of 3 and 4, for 3 and 4, least common multiple is 12. LCM of 2 and 4 2 and 4. Answer is 4. And LCM of 2, 3 and 4 all together. 2, 3 and 4 is again 12. So this is the basic concept of LCM. LCM means least common multiple, least of all common multiples. Now we have two methods for finding LCM. First is method of prime factorization or LCM by prime factorization. Second, division method. In the first method, LCM means, or how to calculate LCM, the product of highest powers of primes. Product of highest powers of primes is LCM. And in division method, LCM means, how to find LCM? The product of all the divisors and the number in the last row. The product of all the divisors and the numbers in the last row. Now for division method, we have a rule: divide by a common factor of at least 2 of the given numbers. Repeat this till no two numbers are divisible by a common factor. So let's take another example for finding LCM using prime factorization and division method. Say given numbers are 9, 16 and 18. So given numbers are 9, 16 and 18. First, from prime factorization. So write prime factors of 9, 16 and 18. For 9, 3 into 3 or square of 3. For 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 to the power of 4. And for 18, 2 into 2 into 9 or 2 into 3 into 3 or 2 into 3 to the power of 2. So these are factors of 9, 16 and 18. Now LCM means the product of highest powers of the primes. LCM is product of highest powers. First number is 2. Highest power of 2, 4 into second number is 3. Highest power of 3, 3 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 4 means 16 into 3 to the power of 2 or 3 square is 9. 16 into 9 is 144. So 144 is the LCM of 9, 16 and 18. So this is the first method of prime factorization. Now from second method, division method, what to do? Try to divide all three numbers. Given numbers are 9, 16 and 18. Okay. Try to divide these three numbers by common factors, and while dividing, this is the rule: divide by a common factor of at least 2. So at a time, you have to take at least 2 of the given numbers. Repeat this till no two numbers are divisible by a common factor. So first factor of first number is 2. 2 by 9, no, not divisible, but 16 and 18, these two numbers are divisible by 2. So we'll write 9 as it is, 16 by 2, 8, 18 by 2 is 9. Again, if we divide this set by 2, only 8 is divisible, but we have to take at least 2. So we'll divide the set in the next line by 3. We'll get 3, 8 as it is, and 3. Again by 3. 1, 8, 1. So this is the last step. Now repeat this till no two numbers are divisible by a common factor. Common factor is 1, or simply we have to stop here. So LCM is the product of all the divisors and the numbers in the last row. 2 into 3 into 3 into 8. If you want to write 1 into 1, otherwise the value will be same. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 8 is again 144. So 144 is the answer. 144 is the LCM of 9, 16 and 18. So these are two methods for finding LCM. Now we'll solve some problems from exercise 3.7. First question, state the LCM of the given numbers. This is oral. Orally, you are required to answer this question. Question number 1, part A, numbers are 2 and 3. We'll solve C, 2, 4 and 5. Then E, 2, 3 and 10, 2, 3 and 10. G, 4 and 16. I, 15 and 25. Then K, 2, 7, 49. So first set 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. We know the answer. 2 and 3, LCM is 6. So 6 is the answer. Next, 2, 4 and 5. Now for finding LCM orally means you are not required to write anything, do not calculate anything, just try to answer what is the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So what to do? Try to recall multiples of 5 and check whether coming multiples are also multiples of 4 and 2 or not. So multiples of 5, after 5, 10. 10 is a multiple of 4 and 2? No. After 10, 15? No. 15 is an odd number. 20 is a multiple of 4? Yes. 20 is a multiple of 2? Yes. And 20 is a multiple of 5. So the answer is 20. Next, 2, 3 and 10. Again, highest number which is maximum or whose value is maximum among all. 2, 3 and 10. 10 is the biggest number. So multiples of 10. After 10, next multiple is 20. 20 is a multiple of 2, but 20 is not a multiple of 3, or 3 is not a factor of 20. Next multiple 30. 30 is a multiple of 10. Yes. 30 is a multiple of 3. Yes. 30 by 3 is 10. 30 is a multiple of 2. Yes. So the answer is 30. Next, 4 and 16. It's a simple problem. 16 is a multiple of 4 and 16 is also a multiple of 16. So the answer is 16. 15 and 25. After 25, next multiple of 25. 25 into 2. 50. 50 is a multiple of 15? No. 45, then you will get 60. Okay, 25 into 3 is 75. And 15 into 5 is also 75. So 75 is the LCM of 25 and 15. K, 2, 7 and 49. Okay, it's a good question. 49, 7 and 2. Now 2 is an even number, 7 is an odd number, 49 again is an odd number, but 49 is a multiple of 7. So a number which is a multiple of 49 will be a multiple of 7 for all cases, and if that number becomes an even number, or if the multiple of 49 is an even number, then that number is also divisible by 2. So for 2, 7 and 49, next multiple of 49 is 49 into 2, 98. 98 is a multiple of 49. So 98 is also a multiple of 7, and 98 is an even number. So LCM of 49, 7 and 2 is 98. Next, question number 2. Find the least common multiple of A, 16 and 24, C, 15 and 20. These are given numbers. Now for second question, we are going to use first method, that is prime factorization method. So in the first step, write prime factors of 16 and 24. 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16, 2 to the power of 4. And for 24, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4, into 2, 8, into 3 is 24. So 2 to the power of 3 into 3. Now LCM, we have to take highest powers of primes. 2 and 3, these are 2 primes. Highest power of 2, 4 and 3, highest power is 4. Highest power of 3, 3 to the power of 1, and you can also write 3 to the power of 0 in place of 1, or in place of nothing just write 1, and then 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 0. So highest power of 3 is 1, and the answer is 2 to the power of 4 into 3. 48. Next, 15 and 24. Again write factors or prime factors of 15 and 20. For 15, 2, no, 3, yes, 3 into 5, 20, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5. So 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1, or 2 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 1. And LCM is highest powers. First number, second number and third number. Highest power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, yes, 2 is missing here. You can write 2 to the power of 0 here. So 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 0 means highest power, 2 to the power of 2. For 3, again you can write 3 to the power of 0. Highest power is 1. And for 5, 5 to the power of 1. After calculation, we will get 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5 is 60. 48 is the LCM of 16 and 24, and 60 is the LCM of 15 and 20. Next, question number 3. Find the LCM. First part, 30, 48 and 120. For third question, we are going to use division method. Okay, 30, 48 and 120. In the first step, all three numbers, 30, 48 and 120, these are even numbers. So we'll start with 2, 15, 48 by 2, 24 and 60. Again these two numbers are even. Write 15 as it is, 12 and half of 60, 30. Again these two numbers are even numbers. 15 as it is, 12 by 2, 6, 13 by 2, 15. And here we have to take at least two numbers. Here 15 is an odd number, so after 2 we have to take next factor, that is 3. 3 is a factor of 15 and 6. So 15 by 3 is 5, 6 by 3 is 2, and 15 by 3 again is 5. Next factor 5, we will get 1, 2 as it is, and 1. So this is the last step. Now LCM is product of all divisions, 2 into 2 into 2, or 2 to the power of 3. Okay, just write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and into 1 into 2 into 1, or simply write 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 1. The answer is 240, 240. Right. So LCM of 30, 48 and 120 is 240. Next, 128 and 256. Again, by division method, 128 and 256. Both are even numbers. So 128 by 2 is 64 and 256 by 2 is 128. Again, 64 by 2, 32. 128 by 2 is 64, 2, 16 and 32. Again 2, 8 and 16. Again 2, 4 and 8. Again 2, 2 and 4, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so at least you have to take 2. So this is my last step. Now LCM is 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2 to the power of 8 or 256. 256 is the answer. Next question number 5. 3 bells toll at interval of 3 bells toll at interval of 9, 12 and 15 minutes. It means interval for first bell is 9, for second bell is 12 and for third bell 15. So after 9 we will get 18. So this bell is going to toll again after 18 minutes, then 27 minutes and so on. For second bell, 12 is the interval. After 12, 24 and then 36. So first toll is at 12 minutes, then second, then third and so on. For third bell, 15, then 30, then 45 and so on. So these are given time intervals of each bell. We are required to find the time. After what time will they toll together again? So the time at which all three bells will toll together will be the LCM of 9, 12 and 15. So for this problem we are required to find LCM of 9, 12 and 15. 9, 12 and 15. Odd, even, odd. So you have to start from 3. 9 by 3 is 3. 12 by 3 is 4. 15, 5. Yes. Okay. So after first step, latest numbers are 3, 4 and 5. So we don't have any factor for these 3 numbers. So we'll stop here, because we have to take at least 2 numbers. Factor for at least 2 numbers. So the LCM is 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 20, 180 minutes. So after 180 minutes, all three, first, second and third bell will toll together. 180 minutes means 180 by 60, 3 hours. So 3 hours is the answer. After 3 hours, all three bells will toll together. Now please solve all these problems and all remaining problems in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, any problem in this exercise or in finding LCM, please write your comments in the comment section. Thank you.